Good afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another great travel trailer value from Parkway RV Center. Got a fairly inexpensive travel trailer to show you today, and this would be a perfect for a live-in unit or just somebody not wanting to spend a lot of money on their first travel trailer. 2006 Ameri. We took this unit in on trade. It's a model number 329 RLS, 34.5 foot long, weighs 7,500 pounds. All fiberglass exterior, six-sided aluminum frame. Got the slide out, big slide, and it's a rear lounge floor plan. So, be a great live-in model if you're wanting something cheap to live in. Here you go. See, the outside looks pretty good. I mean, for a 13-year-old camper, it looks good. Looks like it's got a little spot of delamination right here on the outside. But show me a 13-year-old travel trailer that doesn't. But looking around it, folks, I mean, for $79.95, even got two spares on the back. Rear lounge, got all the windows, big 36-inch deep slide. Got the stabilizer jacks, front power tongue jack. It has a LumaGuard patio awning. Outside shower, got a black water flush, which if you're set up somewhere permanently, that's a very nice thing to have. Of course, got the double propane bottles on the front, deep cycle battery. I've just got it on a jump box right now and just running everything on DC power, which should last long enough for me to do the video. Of course, more than likely, we always put a new interstate battery on it when we sell it, so you'll have a new interstate deep cycle battery. Not bad for $79.95, folks. It really isn't. Especially with the Chattanooga RV show coming up this weekend. Everybody going looking at these mass-produced fiberglass campers that are brand new for 30 grand, 35 grand, that aren't built near as well as this one is for $79.95. So obviously it's not going to last long. 329 RLS, biggest one they made in 2006 in the travel trailer lineup. Step inside. The inside is actually very clean. It's not smoked up, no pet odors. Original carpet, upholstery, looks great. Of course, these chairs I don't think are original, but they still look good. Got day-night shades, surround sound, stereos. Got a sleeper sofa, table and chairs. It's got the leaf for the table. Got a 15,000 BTU ducted carrier roof air conditioner with a remote control thermostat. Got 8 cubic foot Norcold refrigerator freezer. Samsung microwave, Suburban stovetop and oven. A lot of countertop space. A lot of storage space. Countertops look good, nothing swollen, anything like that. Place for a TV if you want to add one. Of course, I got a factory sales brochure in here, believe it or not, from 06. And I'll have that on the website too in PDF format if you want to click on it and see. Yeah, good tall ceiling, 8-foot wide camper. Looks like they've added some extra storage in here. Walk-through bathroom. Vinyl floor looks good. Carpet looks good. Shower looks good. Been winterized, of course. Skylight looks great. I don't see anything up there to concern you. It's got a 6-gallon DSI water heater. That's gas or electric. Queen Island bed. Still got the original factory bedspread. Comfortable mattress. His and her nightstands. Overhead storage. Got a little flip-up tray for a older style CRT TV, or you can just hang one of those HD TVs pretty much anywhere you want to. Got a solid sliding door for privacy. Got a private water closet right here. You know, if you take in consideration the year model and the price, this is actually a nice camper. Is it brand new? Of course not. It's 1/3, 1/4 the price of a new one. And it'll do everything a brand new one will do for probably less than 1/4 the price. Everything's solid. Floor solid. I don't see anything of concern. if I just had to pick this thing to death right above the slide right here, and it's an old leak because it's all dry, and we've had torrential downpours this week. So if this was any kind of modern leak, you'd be able to stick your finger through it. But it's good and solid and dry. So right there tells me that was from a leak several years ago. And of course, like I said, show me an '06 model that doesn't have something like that. Of course, lights are starting to get a little dim. My battery box is getting dead, but roof and the slide out looks good. Not bad. $79.95, and I'm still going to go through it, doing a systems inspection, make sure all the RV components work correctly. We're going to check the fridge, the awning, the appliances, the microwave, stovetop oven, water heater, furnace, air conditioner. Make sure all that stuff works like it's supposed to. Make sure your beds fold out. Check your jacks out. Make sure they work right. Your water heater, all your lights. Got a couple of them with some burnout bulbs, but again, no big deal. And basically, folks, for about what you're going to spend on a used pop-up, you can have you a 34-foot self-contained travel trailer with a big slide. $79.95 haggle free if you want it inspected and checked out, and that also includes a orientation by my RV techs after purchase, after it's been through service. They'll show you how to operate everything and show you everything on it works. And basically, folks, in layman's terms, $79.95, you got a fully functional '06 Ameri 329 RLS, fully functional, ready to take it wherever you want to go. We do offer delivery service, and it is free locally, up to 100 miles one way. So we can help you out with that. Now, folks, when we do our delivery service, please keep in mind it's a courtesy service. Obviously, if it's somewhere that we feel like we're going to get stuck putting it in, or a place that feels like it's going to damage the camper or the truck, we're not going to put it there, folks. We'll get it as close as we can, drop it, and you'll have to take it from there. I had a situation like that happen the other day, and a guy wanted to put it where you need to have a tractor to put it there, so obviously we weren't going to take a two-wheel drive truck and try to put a camper there. So he got a little ill about it, but like I said, we always ask everybody, is it going into a spot that's going to be hard to get to? And he told us no, so which he didn't exactly tell the truth. But folks, we're going to do our best. We'll get as close as we can if that situation comes up. And that doesn't come up very often, but I do like to mention that because obviously my drivers, we're not making money on the delivery. We're doing it for free. So anyway, and we do have nationwide delivery. Contact us for a quote if you're interested. I'm sorry about the beeping, folks. The battery box is dying. I just wanted to show you the lights work and all that. Lighten it up, and here it is getting kind of cloudy. $79.95 will trade. No extra fees, no surprises, plus applicable sales tax, of course. If you want to know how much your sales tax will be, contact us, and we'll give you an estimate on your tax and tell you when and where you got to pay it. Everybody's got to pay it. The amount you pay and when and where you pay it depends on where you're from and how you pay for it. So anyway, contact us for a quote on that. Also, let your salesperson know and ask him what the current lead time is for a travel trailer checkout. We should be able to knock it out fairly quickly. And this was a trade-in, folks. The people were just using it, so I really don't foresee any major problems with it. But again, I can't guarantee that till we check it out. So it will include a checkout that will be done after purchase. Of course, then once it's been checked out, cleaned up, service manager approves it, he'll call you, set up a time for you to pick it up. When you arrive here at the appointed time, the tech that checked it out knows it better than anybody is going to do a one-on-one RV orientation with you and show you how to operate everything, show you everything works, answer any questions you have, show you any repairs you had to make, and all that's included for that $79.95. And also, folks, we like I said, we offer delivery service. We give you a 45-day drive-out tag, no additional charge. RV starter kit with all your camping essentials, sewer hose, water hose, pressure reducer, toilet paper, adapters, chemicals, and much more. All that's included. $100 value included with the price. And you get in case you want to use it, we do give you 21 nights of free camping, up to 7 nights at a time at select RV resorts nationwide to be used in a 12-month period. So you got 21 nights of camping if you want to take it all in the first year that you own it. That's absolutely free. At select RV resorts. So basically your first year of camping's on us. And all that for only $79.95. If you're interested in this travel trailer, give us a call, 706-965-7929. Please call before coming to look to verify availability before traveling any distance. To come here and look, because I never delete my YouTube videos. I've got them going back to 2010. They help our Google search ranking, so I never remove them, and people like to use them for informational purposes. So keep that in mind. Just because you see it online does not mean it's available. I tell people all the time, all it takes is a 5-minute call and a credit card and to leave a deposit, and it's off the market, just like that. Quicker than you can get in your car and back out of the driveway, it can already be sold. So please call before coming to look to verify availability. Financing is available with approved credit. Minimum down payment is right around 10%, give or take a little. And no extra fees. You know, we're not like other RV. And let me tell you something, folks. Some RV dealers can charge up to $3,000 to $4,000 in fees. Basically, more than half the price of this camper just in bogus after-sales dock fees, prep fees, freight fees, setup fees, inspection fees, etc. And we don't do that here, folks. We've been doing this for 51 years. We learned a long time ago. Everybody likes easy, simple, done. No haggling. Because that's easy, it's simple, it's done. The price is what attracted you to it to begin with. You're going to research it, see that it's a great deal for the money. So no haggling needed. And, we also eliminate people's fears. That's why we do buying somebody else's problem. That's why we do that inspection. That's also included at $79.95 plus tax. And nobody likes dealing with commission salespeople. We did away with those too. Everybody here's on salary. That means no sales pressure to you, no games or gimmicks, because these guys get paid the same no matter if you buy one from us or not. So eliminates that problem. So we've done away with everything everybody hates about buying any used vehicle, plus made it really easy, really stress-free buying experience. You know what the price is before you come look. You know what the price is. It's the same price as you look online as when you get here on the lot. Everything's marked and priced out here. You can look with or without a salesperson escorting you around. You know, we're not like other RV dealerships that you have to go into a sales office, give them your personal information, let them copy your driver's license before they even let you on the lot to look at RVs. And then when they let you on the lot, they assign you a high-pressure commission salesperson who's only going to show you what they want you to see. That's not what buying and selling RVs are about, folks. You know, the RV lifestyle is about easygoing, laid back, taking it easy. So we try to incorporate as much of that as possible into the buying experience. Because if you're stressed out buying an RV, you're going to be stressed out using it. There's no point in even buying it. And if a dealership's stressing you out, running you around the ringer, that's not the place you want to buy from. We're very easy, very open. Tell you exactly like it is. This is the price plus tax. No surprises, games, or gimmicks. That's why we've been doing this for 51 years. Family owned and operated since 1968. 150 plus used RVs in stock right now. 500 to 600 units a year that we sell. Obviously, we're doing something right. And that's used RVs, folks. I mean, if you want to go buy a brand new one for 30, 35 grand, go ahead. Time you keep it a few years, it's going to be worth what this one's worth. And, and that's why I love the RV shows, because people go up there, they get sticker shock. They see 150 RVs at a sign giving directions to here. They're going to come here and look and get real prices instead of those crazy new prices. Because let me tell you something, folks, and I'll give you a tip when it comes to buying new RVs. I don't care what kind of deal you got on a brand new camper, fifth wheel, motorhome, whatever you're looking at. As soon as you take possession of that RV, you lost 33% of whatever you just paid for it in 5 minutes. What gets people is they finance the RV and they get talked into buying all these extra services like gap insurance, exterior, interior protection packages, and all this stuff that's marked up 5 times what you can get it for yourself. They add it to the loan, then they mark the interest rate up on the loan, which they can legally do, even though we don't do that. We only contract you on what the bank approves you for as far as interest rate. Other dealers mark it up 1 or 2%, costing you thousands of extra dollars. during the life of an RV loan and higher RV payments. So many people will see a camper advertised for, say, $30,000. I've had it happen here more times than I can count, and you hear about it on the internet as well. They'll go in, buy a camper, the sale price advertised is $30,000. They buy it, finance it, pay money down, keep it for 2 or 3 years, pay on it, then try to sell it. They call to get their payoff. They owe $3,000 or $4,000 more than what the advertised sales price was after paying on it for 3 years. I had it happen just the other day. Guy couldn't believe it. He's going to get his lawyer involved and go after the dealer that sold it to him. But they do it all the time, folks. They're going to get you for everything they can, and an RV dealer is not going to do anything for free. If they offer financing, that's because there's profit involved for them. If they offer you extended warranties, gap insurance, or anything like that, there's profit involved for them. And that means higher prices for you. So keep that in mind, folks. We've been doing this for 51 years. We know everybody likes easy, simple, and done, and that's what we do. We have 150 RVs in stock, price ranges to pretty much fit everybody's budget. I've got a lot more lower price units too. I haven't posted online yet. So if you're in the market for one or wanting something to use for a semi-permanent or permanent residence, here you go. I mean, heck, folks, you can live in this thing 4 or 5 years and got your monies out of it and then some. I mean, literally, folks, you're going to spend $1,000 a month for an apartment and rent. I mean, literally, for what you're going to spend a year in an apartment, you can have this thing bought and paid for and still have thousands of dollars left in your pocket for what a year an apartment cost you. So I know a lot of younger people coming home from college, buying these to live in instead of getting an apartment, traditional apartment. I don't blame them. If I was single and young, I'd do the same thing. I mean, save the money, put it towards something else, put it toward buying a house when you get older. I mean, and this is so much more comfortable than a tiny home. Thank you for watching my video, folks. If you got any questions, call us, email us, sales@parkwayRVcenter.com. Click on my website. When I made it really easy for those of you on YouTube. If you're watching this on YouTube, go to the video description below. In the first paragraph, there'll be a link to my used travel trailer page. Click on that. You'll see the PDF format, factory sales brochure, pictures, specs, weights, all the any important information you could ever want is on the website. Because unlike other marketing managers at other RV dealerships, for an internet shopper, there is no such thing to me as too much information. So I give you factory floor plan if it's available, finance applications, trade-in appraisal forms, and much more on our website, parkwayRVcenter.com. Or if you're watching this again on YouTube, the video description, click on the link in the first paragraph, take you right to it. Give us a call if you have any questions, 706-965-7929. Come out and visit with us. Love to meet you. We're open Monday through Saturday, 9 to 6 Eastern Time, Monday through Friday, 9 to 5 Saturday. We are closed on Sunday for Faith and Family Day. But, like I said, come out and visit with us. Very few people come see us in person and don't see something they want to buy. Very few people. And, we obviously retail 500 to 600 RVs a year. You can tell that from the number of videos I shoot. We don't play around, folks. And got a lot of units not posted on my website, so if you don't see what you're looking for on there, call my non-commissioned sales team members. Tell them what you're looking for in the price range. They'll do their best to accommodate you. We may have your next RV in stock, and you won't know about it because you won't pick up the phone and call us. Anyway, come out and visit with us. Come call us, email us. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you hadn't already. Give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment. Thank you for watching. Look forward to seeing everybody here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.